Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be like a new segment that I'm gonna be having where I'm gonna be tasting some Jamaican snacks. So I'm here with my beautiful sister Jamie. Hope you guys see her in future videos, tasting videos, whatever they are. So we're gonna be tasting some sweet, what we call cheese Trix. They're not actually cheese Trix because there's no cheese in these ones. So these are the sweeter ones that, I mean, we've had all of these actually. We're going to tell you what we like about them, what we don't like about them, which one we eat again, and which one we like the best. So let's get into the video. So we have this strawberry ballers. This is like a long time snack that they're kind of bring back. And I mean, maybe I like this out of all of them because it's like the latest. It's like the oldest one out of all these three. And my sister is going to introduce the other one.
This is cherry berry. I don't know this.
Oh, so I guess she will be giving you a great opinion on that one. These ones now are hard Trix. So it's not actually any cherry flavor in this. It's mostly colored. So let's get the tasting on. So we're going to be tasting the strawberry ballers first, and we're going to give you our honest opinion. So we're going to take one each, and maybe if we need more, we will just taste again. So this one is kind of fresh to me. Usually it's sweeter.
It's dry.
And it's dry.
It's dry.
It's pretty dry. So not a strong strawberry flavor in that one. Don't really like that one.
I don't taste right.
So we have a water.
Nice though,
yeah, it was nice at one point in time, and there's a cheese one, which some other time I'll do a cheese Trix tasting video. So we're gonna be tasting the cherry berry and tell you how it is. So each of us will take one. Wow. I like that one. Yeah, this is sweeter, and this one is cherry, not strawberry. The other one, but oh, this seems like it's mixed. It's cherry and strawberry, so there is a huge more amount of flavor in this one, and it does taste better than the cherry ballers. We're gonna sip again before we have the other one. We're just drinking plain straight up hot water, cause the cold water techniques rings in the kitchen. I do like bunny. Alright, so we're gonna be tasting these hard Trix.
Alright, so this one don't taste like no strawberry. It just tastes like sweet Trix.
Yeah, because it's saltier than the others. But the salt, like, it's turning up another one.
Yeah.
But I kind of like it because when you look at it, you think it's gonna be sweet, but then you taste it and it's salty. So I mean, I like that.
Basically, I just food coloring them put another one.
Yeah.
I don't taste.
So this one, I would give it like 3 out of 5 if it forgets so much, or 2.5 maybe. Because
2.5.
yeah, because the sugar, it's not sweet
and it dry.
So I'm not really in love with that one. This though.
No, this that one
yeah,
that one that tastes good too.
This bomb, and it named Cutters. I'm not saying if it make here. No, it's actually just distributed in Jamaica. It comes from Trinidad and Tobago. I believe this is a product of Jamaica. Yeah, product of Jamaica. Now go and go. They want to refurbish. And these are Trix. The are Trix. Look like it don't even make noise. Oh, it bake out here. Jamaica one. So these are our Jamaican cherry cheese Trix. Not really any cherry flavor in this, more like food coloring. This, it don't sweet, it don't salty, it's just fresh and dry. And all of these, so Trinidad, big up yourself, cause this tastes good. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys like my sister, and she'll be back in some other videos that we're gonna be having. So that is it for the video, girl. Go ahead and like and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you like our taste review, go ahead and go like it, click that notification, and definitely click the link below share it with your friends again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time on another taste review. Okay, she's doing the lean back when necessary. So we're going to zoom so the Audi.